Welcome back to the Health Tips channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ancient medicine with a focus on the legendary Persian polymath, Abu Ali Sina. Known to the West as Avicenna, he was a towering figure in medicine, philosophy, and science. His magnum opus, the Canon of Medicine, remained a foundational text in medical education for centuries, influencing physicians across the globe. Abu Ali Sina on hair loss. Abu Ali Sina believed that hair loss arose from a complex interplay of factors, including humoral imbalance. He adhered to the ancient Greek concept of humors, believing that an excess of black bile in the body, particularly in the head and scalp region, could weaken hair follicles and lead to hair loss. Nutritional deficiencies, a diet lacking in essential nutrients, particularly those vital for hair health like vitamins, minerals, and proteins, was another key factor in his view. Emotional stress. Abu Ali Sina recognized the profound impact of emotional distress on physical well-being, including hair health. He believed that prolonged periods of anxiety, grief, and worry could disrupt the body's natural balance and contribute to hair loss. Scalp conditions. Abu Ali Sina acknowledged that certain scalp conditions, such as dryness, inflammation, and infections, could also contribute to hair loss. Avicenna's Herbal Remedies. Abu Ali Sina prescribed various herbal remedies to address hair loss, focusing on restoring balance to the body, nourishing the hair follicles, and addressing underlying scalp issues. Here are 7 of the most notable. 1. Fenugreek seeds, rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Fenugreek seeds were a cornerstone of Abu Ali Sina's hair loss treatments. He recommended soaking the seeds overnight, then grinding them into a paste and applying it to the scalp. 2. Amla, Indian gooseberry. This potent antioxidant is a treasure trove of vitamin C, crucial for collagen production and healthy hair growth. Abu Ali Sina advocated for the use of amla juice or a paste made from the dried fruit to massage the scalp. 3. Aloe vera. Known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, aloe vera gel was a key ingredient in Abu Ali Sina's hair loss remedies. He recommended applying fresh aloe vera gel directly to the scalp to calm irritation and promote hair growth. 4. Coconut oil. Abu Ali Sina recognized the nourishing properties of coconut oil. Rich in fatty acids that penetrate deep into the hair shaft, he recommended massaging warm coconut oil into the scalp and hair, leaving it on overnight for optimal absorption. 5. Rosemary oil. Believed to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, rosemary oil was a valuable component of Abu Ali Sina's hair loss treatments. He recommended diluting rosemary oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil before massaging it into the scalp. 6. Hibiscus. Abu Ali Sina utilized hibiscus flowers in various forms, such as extracts and infusions, to nourish the hair and scalp. He believed hibiscus could strengthen hair follicles and promote hair growth. 7. Sesame oil. Abu Ali Sina valued sesame oil for its nourishing and moisturizing properties. He recommended massaging warm sesame oil into the scalp to improve blood circulation and nourish hair follicles. Disclaimer. While Abu Ali Sina's herbal remedies offer a glimpse into ancient wisdom on hair care, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional or a qualified herbalist before incorporating any of these remedies into your hair care routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications.